Hello everybody, welcome to My Virgin Kitchen. It's Barry here and today I am joined by...
Chloe.
Hello Chloe.
Hello Barry.
We hope you are well. So last week I did a 2-ingredient mayonnaise recipe, right mate?
Yeah.
And was it nice? Did you have some of that?
Yeah.
Well, you didn't have the nasty one with condensed milk in, did you? She actually had the nice one. Did you like it though?
I loved it.
Off the back of that, I was sent a flurry of 2-ingredient recipes, and there was one that kind of stood out. One, because I know that this girl likes pizza, right? And what's your favourite pizza?
Pepperoni.
You alright? You just got it out?
Yeah.
Pepperoni pizza. So this is a 2-ingredient pizza dough where all you need is some Greek yogurt, okay?
Okay.
And some self-raising flour. That's it. But apparently you can mix the flour up. You can do wholemeal flour, bits and bobs like that. You could do plain flour with some bicarbonate of soda just to give it some rise, or baking powder.
Yeah. You can.
But to prove how easy this recipe is, I hope this is a good idea, I'm going to let Chloe do the whole thing, all right? You're going to make the dough. She gets a bit funny with things like this. I don't know why. She's quite a messy kid, but when it comes to making dough and stuff, she's like, oh, my fingers. So you need to be like, no.
I've got nail varnish on.
Well, the nail varnish won't come off. It's not that strong.
Some it is.
So we're going to make this pizza dough, and then I've showed it before, but this is a really, really cool way to make a decent pizza. We're going to do it in a frying pan. All right?
Yeah. I'm okay.
We'll do it in a frying pan. So let's get the dough made first of all. Greek yogurt and self-raising flour is all you need.
So you can use any bowl if you want, because I'm using my sister's bowl. And at the bottom, this was when she had it when it's little, and this is Phoebe's bowl, and there's her names a bit, and we can't see her name really a bit.
Okay, so translation, put the flour in a bowl. Yeah! And what she was saying was it used to say Phoebe at the bottom of the bowl, but it's etched off because we've had it burnt a hole in it. Look at that. It used to say Phoebe right there, didn't it?
Yeah.
Now we need 250 grams of, this is fat-free Greek yogurt. That's 500, so we need half of it, okay? So do it together. Happy?
Okay. Yeah.
Right.
So disgusting.
Give stir together. That's it, mate. Mix it. Keep mixing. Tell the camera what you're thinking nice and loud.
Stonking.
Yes! I didn't even tell you to say that. That's awesome.
I'm a mother.
You're not a mother.
I'm a mom.
You are not a mother.
I'm
That's
a
not...
mom.
No, you're not a mother.
I am.
You're not a mother. Are you a mother?
I am a mother.
Oh, we need to talk about that.
A few days later.
Yeah, exactly. I had a feeling this would happen. I've lost you. Too busy playing with dogs. What's going on? Ow! Oh! Just my foot on your stool.
Ooh la la.
Right, turn the dough out onto the surface. Put it on the countertop.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Now use your hands. Ugh.
Oh, I'm scared this bit.
Don't be scared. Now just press it in and knead it. Work it together with your hands.
Okay.
That's it. Mix it together like that. That's it. You're a kid. You should love this bit. Go on. This is where you need to knead it. Apparently you need to knead for a good 8 to 10 minutes apparently. Keep going. I'll come back in a bit.
So?
If it gets too wet, we need more flour. As you can see, she has this technique down.
Oh.
Such a diva.
I'm a diva.
Come on.
I'm broken. Who wouldn't love this? Who wouldn't? Michael Jackson
All right.
would hate this.
Sometime later. Michael Jackson would hate this.
Yeah, I guess so. No, we love it.
She's washing her hands. I'm doing it. It does get very wet. Make sure you knead it properly. To be fair though, that's turned into a really nice smooth dough.
Oh my gosh. My hands are freezing.
Don't worry. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna have to clean that properly, hang on.
I've got my urban gloves on.
Yeah. know.
Well, I live in my own kitchen.
Alright, this is the next step, folks. So we've got it into a really nice, neat pizza ball. What are you doing? What are you doing with the oven glove? You're crazy. No. You want to... Go on, smack it. Yeah. So obviously you can roll it out into your pizza shape now. We're going to make it into the size of our frying pan. So your dough is pretty much done. You can stick it in the fridge now if you wanted. Alright? We're going to put it in our frying pan, make sure it's nice and even out there. The cool thing about Chloe, obviously being a kid, this pan is cold. She can shape this and decorate her pizza before we even start cooking it. This is why I love this method. Are you happy with that, mate?
Yep.
Good work.
I'm very happy with it.
Good.
Happy with it?
Now that is, ladies and gents, is the whole amount of dough in there. So it will be, with the self-raising flour, quite a thick pizza. If you rolled it thin, you could probably get 2 pizzas out of this. Oh, what's this?
The decoration.
The decorations. This is a non-stick pan. If you're feeling worried, you can also lubricate it with some spray oil in the background like we've got there, but you'll be all right. So first up, that is some passata, which is like a mix of tomato sauce with a little bit of herbs in it. Just smear that all around. You only want like a light stain of it, really.
I feel very, very, very good.
Do you?
Very.
Look at that. All right, if Chloe's going to not eat all the toppings, it might help. We've got some mature cheddar, some mild cheddar, and a mozzarella ball. So maybe mix the cheddars up and sprinkle those on first. Be like the Pizza Banksy. Are you the Pizza Banksy?
The pizza bouncing.
I'm sure we had more cheese than that, mate. Have you been eating it? Have you ever sliced a mozzarella ball before? Stop eating the cheese. Right, take your mozzarella ball out. It looks a bit like a tennis ball, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm scared.
Don't be scared. It's not, go on, put it down on the board. No, on the board, not in the... Wow, that'd be amazing if you put that straight in the pan, wouldn't it? Take that and slice it into strips. Like, even, that's it. And then a bit like that, a little bit further down, like that. You see? Can you do that all the way down for me? Use your other hand to steady it. Look at this. Beautiful. Are you enjoying that?
Yeah, I am.
Good. Does that taste good as well?
It tastes better.
Better than cheddar?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, now put it on the, spread it around. That's going to melt and form little puddles of cheese, mate. It's going to be great, okay?
Okay.
What's that, Chloe?
Pepperoni.
Is that your favourite?
Yeah.
Go on then.
I feel like I should try it.
If you want to try it?
Yeah.
Go on then. Is that pepperoni?
Mhm.
And try and get it so that that's it, it's in between the mozzarella. So we're lifting up the mozzarella so it's sort of sitting on top of the pepperoni. This is good, this is good. Oh, you had the hot and spicy one. I'm just going to take it away from you, I don't want to eat it. Stop eating the pepperoni. You get a bad... You got the hot one. I thought you liked it.
Pepperoni makes me cry now.
But you're just such a hardened eater that you love it that much that the tears are worth it? It's alright, we have a medically trained pug that can help. Chloe's regathered her thoughts. Turns out we bought the hot and spicy version, which she's still a fan of, but you need to eat in moderation. Right?
Yeah.
Are you eating some more off camera then?
Yeah.
Are you ready to cook your pizza?
Yes, I am. Demanding.
If you have a grill and a hob, this is a real cool way to make a pizza. Ready? Da-da-da-da. Get it?
Dun, dun.
She doesn't get it. Get your hob on, which I need to do now. Sit your pan. Do you want to carry your pan?
I'm allergic to fire.
You're allergic to fire. Great. I think most people are. Right, I'll take it. Hang on. Pizza. Good girl. Is going to go on to the hob. Now all that's going to do, you're going to need to keep an eye out and wait for the base to go just slightly lightly brown because the pan will stay hot, so it'll keep cooking it a little bit. Then, right now, in fact, we need to get our grill. Are you dabbing? I have a dab statue in my house. Get your grill on, okay? Get your grill on. Because your grill is going to cook the top part of the pizza. And the pizza is starting to cook. You can start to see it slightly puffing up a little bit. But like I say, you want to get yourself like a little spatula so you can lift up and check your bottom.
I am hanging around.
You're hanging around, are you? All right. This is probably, the safety bit, which you've got to be careful. So I'm going to use one of these and just keep an eye on it, like lift it up from the sides in a bit, but it'll take a couple of minutes at first. See that, folks? We've got a nice light brown colour on the bottom of that now. So I'm taking it off that flame. And this is the cool thing about it. You don't have to massively rush. It's still cooking, the pan's still warm, so it's going to keep it warm on the bottom and cook it lightly. So it's not going to burn it because we're taking it off, but straight into our grill. Under there. So that will hopefully melt the cheese on the top, cook the top, and that'll be Chloe's pizza all done.
Wow.
Come see.
Wow, look at that.
It's cool, right?
I love it. It's good.
You love it.
I love it.
Oh gosh. So like maybe 3 or 4 on the hob, and then 5 minutes down there. Obviously, if you start the flame quite low, it gives the base more time to cook through. If you do it too hot, it will just char it straight away, and you could ruin it. But look, see that bubbling away? Try and get that. Oh yeah. Look at that. The cool thing is, once we're ready, you can take it. Oh yes. Look at that. You can take it from there and serve it from the pan straight onto a board. Choppy chop chop.
Can I cut it now?
You want to cut it? All right, let Daddy help you. It's very hot. You made that? You just want to eat it, don't you? Hang on. Wow. Pizza. Are we ready, family?
Yes.
Pizza's up. Yeah, it is definitely like light and doughy, but it's all cooked through 100%. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. And really nice.
Wow.
That is so good. Wow. So that is low-fat Greek yogurt and flour. Honestly, that is so good. Just to show you, look, the base is all browned. It's all cooked through, like dough that thick. It's all cooked through. It's soft, but it works. So Chloe, as you made this, do you want to say goodbye to the video like what Daddy does?
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Tell me what you want to see next. And press the subscribe button. Bye!
Bye guys, that is amazing.